DXLG stock analysis and DXLG stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play with Destination XL stock. Look, I'm the only person in this space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, and I've documented it all, right? Ultimately speaking, Destination XL group is not something that I'm going to look to just immediately buy or do really anything, trade this immediately, but more so I'm going to take it through this process and formula that I've done over 5 years to learn. And that means that, first of all, trends bearish, it's not gonna be me here buying. Well, obviously that could be the place if I see some proper breaks above 137, but we're not there yet. And with that in mind, only if there is some sort of a good double break, only then I'm looking to take it further down. And if not, it's all good. So all I'm doing in the meantime, I'm waiting. And if you want to get 5 risk-free access to resources and free sauce, like real good stuff that's taken me 5 years to learn, click the first link below. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.